Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem on Potter governor. So the question is a Potter governor has equal arms of each 250 mm long and pivoted on the axis of rotation. Each ball has a mass of 5 kg and the mass of the central load on the sleeve is 15 kg. The radius of rotation is 150 mm. When the governor begins to lift and 200 mm when the governor is at maximum speed. Find the maximum and minimum speed and range of the governor. So, in this problem, we have to find two different speed for maximum and minimum value of the governor or height of the governor. Then from that, we can find the range of the governor. So, same solution. First, draw the line diagram. This is the fly ball. This is the axis of rotation. Okay. This arm is given 250 mm. Here it is also 250 mm. Let name the line diagram. This is P, B, G and D. The radius of rotation is given 150 mm. We know that this is the height of the governor. Let name it H1. As it is a Potter governor, then there is a central load whose mass is M. Whose mass is M. Hence we are considering the half of the governor. So here the load which is acting, that is mg by 2, and here it is small mg. This is the line diagram for minimum position, and for maximum what will happen, it will rise and the radius of rotation will become what, 200. So this is your 200, this is your fly ball mg, same P, B, G, D. This is 250, this is also 250. This height is here, that is H2. This is for the maximum speed. So what are the datas? PB equals to BD equals to 250 mm, that is equal to 0.25 meter. Small m is 5 kg, capital M is 15 kg, R1 is 150 mm and R2 is 200 mm. For R1, that is equals to 0.15 meter. From this diagram, this makes a right angle triangle. So I can find PG, or that is equal to H1, which is PB square plus BG square and square root. Minus PB square minus BG square. So this is PB is 0.25 square minus 0.15 square, and the value will come out to be 0.02 meter. Okay. So now the formula for speed for a Potter governor, that is for R1 it is N1, so N1 square equals to M plus M by M into 895 by H1. This is our formula. Here M, small m, is the mass for the fly ball and capital M is the mass of the central load and H1 is the height. So now we will put all the values here. Small m is 5 plus 15 divided by 5 into 895 divided by 0.2. This will come out to be 17900. Okay, that implies N1 equals to, it will comes to 133.8 rpm. This is the speed for the radius of 0.15 meter. Now this is for the minimum, this is our minimum speed. For maximum speed it will be that is R2 that is equal to 0.2 meter. H2 equals to Pg, same, Pb square minus Bg square root equals to 0.25 square minus 0.2 square, which is equal to 0.15 meter. See here Bg is 0.2 because this is your radius of rotation for your maximum speed, and H2 will become 0.15. Now N2 equals to m plus into square equals to m plus m by n into 895 by H2, that is equals to 5 plus 15 by 5 into 895 by H2 is 0.15, that is equals to, it will come out to be 23867, or N2 equals to 154.5 rpm. Now the range of the governor is N2 minus N1, that is equal to 154.5 minus 133.8 equals to 20.7 rpm. This is your answer.